Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. Check this out. Four-door, 1957, all original, 57 Cadillac. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Original paint, original interior, original everything. And the gentleman that owns it wasn't ready. He said he still wants to do some more work, but hopefully we're going to shoot that in the future. And then we also, you'll see here in a second, the gentleman in the blue shirt will come over. This is a 60 drop-top Cadillac, just gorgeous car. And he gives us a full lowdown on the engine and the work that he did. He also is the owner and builder of the 70 Mustang there. If anyone knows this gentleman, knows how to contact him or can contact me, I'd love to talk to him. We had a great conversation. He was going to try to get me some additional information I needed, and unfortunately we haven't been able to connect.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of the video. He gives a great description of the work he's done.
This is mine. I'm his mechanic. I built this.
Okay. I saw him at another show, and
yeah, no, I build muscle cars.
Okay. And what motor is this?
This is 390.
Okay.
And it's all stock, and the transmission we just rebuilt.
Okay.
It did lost reverse, and the seals were all rotted out. And we took the booster off and completely rebuilt the booster, put a new radiator in it, rebuilt the original carburetor. It had an Edelbrock on it, and it just didn't want to run right, so I rebuilt the original one. We put it back on. Went through all the brakes and everything. It's all new underneath.
Still has a generator?
Still has everything else was pretty well stock on the car. And even the power brakes, I wanted to rebuild the old booster and make a kit for it, so we did.
Yeah.
It was really pretty simple.
Well, the belts are so small.
Yeah. It runs really good. He's got about 230, 40 miles on it now since we got done with it.
Yeah, I saw it a couple of weeks ago.
We're about 30 miles away from here. So
okay.
We just kind of go to shows together.
Yeah. And what year is your Mustang?
Mine's a 70.
Okay.
I've done. I built this car all the way up. This is my 21st Mustang. I built it like 12 years.
Holy cow! That color is amazing.
It's got vintage air in it, modern radiator, but it's the original 351 Windsor.
Wow.
The original automatic and everything. I ended up putting a positive rear end in it, and a little cooling fan from the air comes on it.
Okay.
Keeps it cool.
Yeah.
It drives really well. I also have a 56 Thunderbird that I'm just about done with, and I just bought a 72 Chevelle I'm underway with right now. And we live in Defiance, and I was a retired mechanic for 40 years.
Okay.
At dealerships, and I owned my own business the last 15. And I told the wife when we moved out here, because the kids lived in St. Peter's, we retired, sold everything, moved out in the country. I built a nice big 60 by 40 shop out there, and I just want to build muscle cars.
Yeah.
Or to leave me alone, let me work with my cars. That's all I want to do. Build them, sell them, build them, sell them. That's what I do.